Dear friends of the mystical path, who am I, where do I come from, and where is the journey going? We all ask ourselves the question about the meaning of life. At the Temple of Delphi was the saying, "Know thyself and you know the universe." Thus, the spiritual path is about realization, a deeper understanding of oneself, the world, and the divine. In this course, we will embark together on the path of knowledge, answering all the important questions according to spiritual teachings, current research, and practical experiences. The result is a coherent picture which gives orientation in life and enables free development. Knowledge means freedom and self-determination. Please also have a look at the other videos of the individual courses. Thanks a lot as always for your kind attention, and I wish you all the best and much love. See you soon.